10 AC repair scams every homeowner should know. Scam number 1. You need a whole new system. One of the biggest red flags is when a technician spends only a few minutes looking at your air conditioner before recommending complete replacement. Sometimes replacing an old system really is the smartest decision. But other times, the actual problem is nothing more than a failed capacitor, or a contactor, or a thermostat. A trustworthy technician should explain exactly why replacement is necessary. Ask, what failed? What testing did you perform? Can you show me the bad part? Scam number 2. Refrigerant needs to be topped off. Many homeowners believe refrigerant gets used up like gasoline. It doesn't. Your air conditioner is a sealed system. If refrigerant is low, there's almost always a leak. Simply adding refrigerant without locating the leak is often just delaying the same repair. Scam number 3. The emergency pressure sale. Some companies use fear. If you don't approve this today, your compressor could explode. The whole system could fail tonight. Sometimes immediate repairs really are necessary, but pressure is not professionalism. Honest contractors explain. Scammers rush. Scam number 4. The mystery part. Have you ever noticed some companies never actually show you what failed? They simply tell you. A trustworthy technician should have no problem showing the burnt capacitor, the cracked contactor, the leaking coil, or the damaged motor. If they can't explain it, ask questions. Scam number 5. Dirty coils absolutely reduce efficiency, but dirty doesn't automatically mean damaged. Many coils can simply be cleaned. Replacement should only happen when cleaning isn't enough. If you learned something, please subscribe and like this video. Scam number 6. Oversized filters. Homeowners often assume higher MERV equals better. Not always. If your HVAC system wasn't designed for highly restrictive filters, airflow drops. Reduced airflow can actually hurt system performance. For most homes, a quality pleated MERV 8 to 11 filter is usually the sweet spot. Scam number 7. Everything failed. Sometimes estimates include capacitor, contactor, fan motor, thermostat, control board, compressor, all at once. Could every part fail? Yes. Is it common? No. When multiple expensive parts are recommended simultaneously, getting a second opinion is usually money well spent. Scam number 8. No written estimate. Never approve expensive work without documentation. A written estimate should include parts, labor, warranty, model numbers, taxes, additional fees. If everything stays verbal, that's a warning sign. Scam number 9. Fake discounts. Some companies advertise, today only, $2,000 off, free compressor, but the original price was inflated to begin with. Always compare multiple estimates. The biggest discount isn't always the lowest price. Scam number 10. Buying reviews. Don't just look at 5-star ratings. Instead, read the 2, 3, and 4-star reviews. Those usually contain balanced experiences. Look for patterns. Repeated complaints about poor communication, missed appointments, hidden fees, upselling. Those patterns tell you far more than one angry customer ever could. Final thoughts. Here's the good news. Most HVAC technicians are honest professionals who genuinely want to fix your air conditioner. The goal of this video isn't to make you distrust every contractor. It's to help you recognize the difference between an honest diagnosis and a sales pitch. Knowledge is one of the best tools a homeowner can have. The more you understand how your air conditioner works, the harder it becomes for anyone to take advantage of you. In our next video, we're going to break down the average repair cost for every major air conditioner component in America, so you'll know whether the estimate sitting in your hands is fair before you ever sign it. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more stuff like this.